guys, this is Ritvik and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to explain how to download Python on your Mac operating system. So I start by opening my browser, typing in the keywords Python download. Now you have to go to this site known as python.org. Alright, this will take you here, and when you hover on download, you will see this Python 3.7.4, which is the latest version of Python. This will be for Mac OS X if you are on a Mac operating system. Alright, you click on it, and as you can see, our download starts. Now, when it's done, we open it. We can minimize our browser for now. Now this comes up known as a Python installer. Let's install Python on our system. You just want to click continue on this. Important information, you can just click continue. If you want to read, you can read. Same with this. Oh, we have to agree. Alright, this is important. Then you have to select the desired disk and then click continue. And this takes 108.3 MB of space. Now you will have to enter a username and password to install this. So I will type in mine. Now as you press enter after entering your password, it will start downloading. Now as you can see, the Python is installed. Alright, now we can just close this. Yeah, if you want to, you can move Python installer to trash. I'm gonna move it because I don't need it. So friends, I hope you understood how to download Python on your system. Now what we just downloaded is what's called an interpreter. Alright, we downloaded the interpreter for Python, and what it will do is that it will read the code that we write. But where are we going to write our code? Well, that is what we are going to download in my next video, which will be how to download PyCharm on your Mac operating system. Now PyCharm is my preferred text editor and I recommend it to you guys as well. Alright, thank you for watching. Please subscribe.